Herbs can be wonderful allies in supporting your health, but using them correctly is essential for long-term wellness. Many people experience limited results or even side effects simply because they lack knowledge on safe practices. In this video, we will guide you through the principles of safe herbal use, preparation techniques, dosage strategies, and the mindset required for sustained benefits. By the end, you'll have a clear, practical framework to use herbs safely and effectively over the long term. 1. Preparation basics. The first step in safe herbal use is proper preparation. Cleaning herbs. Always rinse or wash your herbs to remove dust or impurities. Using clean water. Impurities in water can affect both safety and potency. Correct boiling or steeping times. Too long or too short can reduce effectiveness or destroy active compounds. Storage. Keep herbs in airtight containers, away from sunlight and moisture to preserve their properties. Preparation is the foundation of safety. Neglecting it is a common cause of reduced effectiveness. 2. Dosage and timing. Correct dosage is critical. A body size matters. Children and smaller adults often need smaller doses. A meal timing. Some herbs work best on an empty stomach, others with food. A time of day. Energizing herbs in the evening can interfere with sleep. Calming herbs in the morning may reduce alertness. Over time, observing how your body responds to different dosages and timing helps create a personalized, safe herbal routine. 3. Breaks and observation. Continuous use without breaks can reduce effectiveness and sometimes stress the body. Take planned intervals or cycles to allow your body to process herbs naturally. Observation is equally important. Note any changes in energy, digestion, or sleep. Record subtle reactions. Stop immediately if you notice discomfort or unusual symptoms. Keeping track ensures that herbal use supports wellness rather than causing unintended effects. 4. Long-term mindset. Long-term herbal wellness requires a mindful approach. Consistency. Small, regular use is more effective than occasional large doses. Awareness. Understand what each herb does and how your body responds. Respect. Herbs are powerful tools. Handle them with care. Combining herbal use with healthy lifestyle habits, proper nutrition, hydration, and stress management enhances their benefits. Herbs are allies when used wisely. Safe practices, preparation, timing, and observation make the difference between long-term wellness and unintended harm. Approach herbs with respect and patience, and they will support your body for years to come. Subscribe to Rooted Healing TV to continue your journey towards safe, informed, and effective herbal use.